Hello and welcome to Soulful AIP. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make an awesome pesto sauce. Then I will show you how I use the sauce to make pesto cavatappi, a dupe for a dish at a popular noodle restaurant. Noodles & Company's pesto cavatappi is described on their website as a basil pesto cream sauce with garlic, mushrooms, tomato, and parmesan. They also use cavatappi noodles, and you can add chicken. We're going to omit the tomatoes because they are nightshades, and I also recommend that you use cassava pasta or sweet potato pasta to keep the dish compliant. I am actually reintroducing chickpea pasta to my diet, so I will be using that, but I will show you how the dish looks with cassava pasta. So let's get into it. Wait a minute. Pause. If you don't like mushrooms, then you're pretty much done at this point, but I do. So let's back up a bit. Now you have several options for how you want to serve this up and eat it. Do what you want to do, it's yours. You can serve it as a side dish, or you can serve it with the chicken layered on the top, or you can mix it all together with the mushrooms. It's yours. Do what you want. I hope you enjoy this AIP pesto sauce, and let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. I would also like to know what your favorite AIP compliant pastas are. And as always, thanks for watching.